Hey guys, it's Elle, and today I'm feeling impulsive. I was watching YouTube, and I wanted to get my next piercing done, and I don't have 20 bucks. So today, we're gonna pierce our own ears. So for the first step of this process, we're going to pour some rubbing alcohol. Just a little bit in there. And then we're gonna put in my earrings. And now we're gonna go find a needle. What's the steps?
Okay. Do you have everything?
Not yet.
Okay.
I have to find a sewing needle. I've had this sewing machine since I was 8, and half my life people have been telling me that I'm gonna like it someday. And this is the one time it's coming in handy!
To do the most teenage rebellious thing, though.
This isn't even rebellious, though.
Like the opposite of sewing.
I'm allowed to do this, though. Like, this is not... I have a whole box of needles. I could pierce a lot of things. We're getting ice and a piece of fruit to pierce my ear with. So we're gonna wash an apple and cut it into slices, and then we're gonna use it on the back of my ear, I think, to pierce it. I have it in like 4 pretty good sized chunks, and then we have ice that's hopefully gonna go in my ear. So I got all my stuff set up, and Abigail's on the phone humming over there. So I guess now it's time to pierce my ears. So we have the needles.
Ready?
One second. We have like the whole little box, so we're gonna sterilize. Oh, these are sharp. A couple. I think I'm gonna put my hair up and like an awkward little side pony. I'm nervous. If I'm breathing weird, that's why. Okay. And do we draw the dots on now?
First it says do your ears, so like do the alcohol in your ear.
Like all over?
No, not the entire ear, just the
Piercing area?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have my whole ear all red now. Okay, I'm numbing my ear.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it for like a minute, I think.
This part sounds scary. It says take a deep breath and stick the piercing needle smoothly through your ear. Make sure it goes through the spot you have marked. You might hear a popping noise when the needle goes through. Don't freak out. Wiggle the needle, then keep it bent at an angle.
Okay, I have the needle out.
Wait, you already did it?
No.
Oh, gosh, I was gonna say, you were so chill.
Oh yeah, I can't do it. Oh my gosh, that hurts.
You can do it. Oh, wait. Okay, just, I don't want you to, like, die. Take a deep breath and stick the piercing needle through your ear.
I thought like the initial like dig in.
Really?
Yeah?
It's in your ear right now?
Oh gosh, no, not that diggy. I feel like I'm gonna get one and not the other.
Yeah, I know we have to do this all over again for the next one.
It's getting deeper.
Yay!
This is a bigger thing than I thought, Ab. I don't know if I can't.
Needle?
The idea of this, I'm doing it wrong. Like, I'm getting there. There's a wound.
There's a wound. I feel like it's gonna hurt to get it through the back layer of skin.
No, once I get it in, I can pop it. My biggest fear is the hole being wrong. Should we give the right ear a break and go on to the left ear?
Yeah.
Abigail, I'm almost in.
Really?
I can. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I can't do this to the second ear.
Yeah, you can. It'll be so much easier for the
I
second ear.
can't do this.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. You made it too far to back out now. Yeah, you can.
No, oh my gosh, it's scaring me.
Yes, you can do it.
I can't do it.
Yes, people do it all the
It
time.
hurts too bad.
Do it. You can do it.
No, I can't.
Convincing yourselves it hurts.
I feel like I've gone this far that I shouldn't back down.
Yes.
It's like the pain of the pressure doesn't hurt. It's the shoving it through part.
Just don't think about it.
Oh, it's stuck. Ew, ugh. Look, it's stuck in there. I'm through.
It's through? Oh, wait, okay. Oh, I need to pull up the WikiHow again. Okay, hold on. Okay, you need to wiggle the needle.
It's a great placement.
You have to wiggle the needle and then align the back of the earring with the front of the needle and push it through like it's the needle again.
What?
Did you do it?
Do I pull it out now and put the earring in?
No, you don't pull the needle out.
I have to.
You have to put the earring like right by the needle and then push it in with the needle.
No, I'm taking the needle out.
Oh. It's gonna hurt really bad though to put the earring back in.
Okay, it's out.
Okay.
I can't do this.
Yes, Ellie. You've done this much. You can't just not put the earring in. Because then you're gonna have to do this all over again.
That hurts. Oh my gosh, Abigail.
I know it hurts.
Okay, the needle's in again. What do I do next?
Okay, 1 second. Keep it in there.
Should I like let it in there for a while?
Yeah, while I pull up this thing.
It's like actually in there. Abigail, I did it perfectly! There's like one more piece of skin that it's like stuck on, which is TMI. It's in.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Yay, she did it.
This is like the weirdest feeling. I got one hole done, and I'm kind of overwhelmed still, because like this one, not gonna lie, I did a great job, but this one, no. Okay, the initial stab is in.
Are you all the way through?
Pretty much. Okay, it's in.
Yay.
And
Wait, so you know how when you get your ears pierced, you have to like keep the certain earring in for like 6 months? Are you gonna do that?
of course. So now we're putting the earring in the hole. I got tattoo liner in the hole. I didn't even... No, we're gonna try to cleanse it. Oh shoot, that hurts. Last time I had to make the hole twice to like get a real hole. Okay, we're gonna kind of like let it sit for a minute and let the wound make itself. I'm trying to like finish getting the earring in. It's in. Guys, I did a good job. I definitely think my left one's higher than the right one.
It's fine.
But like, not that bad. We're gonna take the hoops out. So we got the left and then we have the right. I can't believe I actually did that! Okay, so I just got off the phone with Rachel and Abigail and I've done it.